Alright, guys, let's get to it. Today's Tuesday. I don't know the date, but we're doing a new market recap, new week. We're going to start it off fresh. I'm going to do things a little bit different than I did before, which is alright. I'm going to just get more in depth and explain more of what I'm seeing. And any one of y'all can see something different. That's the thing. So if y'all don't like what I'm seeing, that's alright. You don't have to agree, but this is what I see though. So I'm gonna hop into it from the high time frames since that's where you can see the major moves and all of it. So I'm always starting the high time frames no matter what. Starting the 4 hour time frame, I saw that we had right here we've touched this low like 3 times. Well, no, all right, 2 times, once basically. So we touched that low, and I saw that. I'm like, all right, so that's some support right there. And I also saw that there was a big low right here, like a prominent low on the 4 hour time frame, an old prominent low. And then I started marking out highs. So I base my confluence off of what liquidity we're chasing. So if we're chasing sell side liquidity, I'm we're bearish, yes, but for me, for my trades, I'm taking bullish trades. I'm going to be taking trades that are bullish, not bearish, because we're taking out sell side liquidity so we can push into a bullish structure, if you get that. Because once we take out sell side, that means there is no more sell side liquidity. And after you take out sell side, the only place to go, the only place the banks want to go is the buy side. They want to create a larger high, is what they're aiming for, is how I should say it. And I also saw a fair value gap here. Really didn't matter. I just wanted to mark it because I saw it. It did get hit though. It did get hit at the halfway mark. I also marked this low just in case we started breaking structure towards like bigger lows, but we didn't. We consolidated on this low right here. So after I was seeing like consolidation, I don't know if this is a news candle or not, but I'm still considering this consolidation. So wait, before we move on, another way you can consider something consolidation is take it from the peak and take it right here. And you see we like to stay around the discount price a lot. So that's how you can say that market is consolidating or it's at an equilibrium. So after that, I tap down into the 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. 1 hour time frame, sorry. And I marked out a prominent low right here. And I also marked out an order block on the 30-minute time frame. It was 1 hour before, but it looked way better on 30-minute. The reason I did this is because after we swept this low, we made a move back down. And usually I always keep my order block range within the stick that made the down move right here. So, do we have a paintbrush? Is there a paintbrush on this thing? Let's find it. Alright, yeah. So, we came up, right? We swept liquidity. Liquidity is swept. And then we came back down. This is our final move, like confirming our sweep. So this right here, the reason I have that marked is because we made a new high, considerably made a new high since it's a blue candlestick. I have them blue, but a bullish candlestick. So I mark that out since that is what should be considered the high, really. That's what should not high, sorry. The order block. Sorry, I'm getting mixed up with my words. I don't know how to delete this. Um, I think I've made a mistake. Oh no. There we go. All right, I had to right click on it. All right, there we go. I also had this marked out. I really do think this is a news candle since this happened on 30-minute time frame too. So I still had it marked out since, I mean, it's liquidity, you know? And I could have marked this out too, or I could really just move that right there. And I saw that we were tapping in and out of the order block a bunch throughout London session last night and Asian. So I don't trade any of those sessions right now. Sometimes I trade London, but most of the time I trade New York session. So I was looking for a New York session move. Now, I didn't take a trade today, but I did make speculations, which is everyone should do. If you're still not trading, handle your off days by still looking at the market. You still need experience to improve. At least look at the market, make some speculations, and if they're right, they're right. And if they're wrong, they're wrong. Learn from your mistakes. You can learn from your mistakes really any day. So please stay practicing. But I saw that we tapped into the order block around 14:30, which is 9:30 bell. And I didn't see a break of structure on the 5 minute since this was a humongous jump here. I'll show in a second. But yeah, we also took out this slow too. We took out this slow since I was monitoring for New York session instead of like overall market structure. I was like looking only for New York session to see what was going to happen, like what's going to be our move for this session. So I saw that we took out this low. This is a 45-minute low. I marked it on the 1 hour, but I saw that we took out the 1 hour low and pushed up into this high, this prominent high right here, really, for this session. Not prominent high for overall market structure. I should explain the difference between this since a lot of people don't classify this as a difference, but there's session trading and then there's overall market structure trading. I can trade overall market structure that could be known as swing trading, or you could do day trading, which is session to session. I'm a day trader, so I do session to session, but I get my bias off of overall market structure, which is what you would use for swing trading. So that's the difference between them, and that's why I'm considered a day trader, or there's day trading. So let's snoop. Oh, wait, hold on, my bar's there. Let's go back down into the 1 minute since there was no break of structure on the 5 minute. But wait, let's go into the 5 minute, see where we're at right now. Actually, yes, there was. My fault. Break of structure right here. I forgot. But we had a break of structure to the upside since we tapped into the order block. We also swept this 1 hour prominent low for this session. After, well, previous session from yesterday, but still same session. New York. They're both New York session. So after we swept that low and tapped into the order block, that was all the confluence I needed to say that yeah, we're gonna have a push up. And that's basically what happened. After we broke structure, let's mark out some take profits because I only have this prominent high marked, which did get hit and we severely dropped. But it's alright. I don't know if news is, I don't know what time news came out. I don't know if there was high impact news today. I really should have looked. Y'all can let me know in the comments if y'all know. I don't know because I didn't look, which that's my first mistake really. I should have looked at high impact news. If you don't look at news and you trade on a high impact news day, the market is super volatile, super volatile. You can like go up and down in one candlestick, like hit take profit and then hit stop loss in one candlestick. That's how volatile it is. So don't trade on high impact news. And if you do, you should have market experience. I mean, there's certain news days, like there's certain news where you can trade. But like FOMC, I wouldn't trade FOMC. I wouldn't trade CPI. I wouldn't trade any of that. Any major sources, I would not trade that. Unemployment claims, I don't trade that. Sometimes I do, but most of the time, no. But anyways, after we tapped into the order block, we came up, hit this prominent high, what I considered prominent, and well, prominent area of liquidity to the buy side. So we hit buy side liquidity, and let's mark out some take profits on 5 minute. So we have a good area of liquidity right here. Oh wait, we don't have our, there we go. Good area of liquidity right there. You have a good area of liquidity right there. We have a good area of liquidity right here. And they all got hit. So that's 1, 2, 3, including final take profit. So all 4 got hit, and we came back down. Probably, well, you're out of the trade. So, but anyways, you would break even with profit. And who knows? Maybe we'll come back up. I'll have to let y'all know at the end of the week. We can all look at this at the end of the week. But since we're doing market recaps for the day, I usually end up doing them after the New York session made its major move. And we made our major move right now, and we're ending it off. So that's why I decided to record. But yeah, that's all that happened for today. Nothing major. I'd say we did have a pretty big move for our second day into the week though. But if you guys are interested in swing trading, remember, look at overall market structure. That's going to be our main lesson today, because there's a big difference in between day trading and swing trading. Swing trading, we all know what swing trading is, but you get your bias from the overall market structure. You can do the same thing with day trading, but day trading, you're looking session to session. Swing trading, you're looking at overall no matter what. In my opinion, that's what you're looking at. You're looking at the overall market structure, because you're not going to snoop down into a session 30-minute time frame, right? And you're not going to see 5-minute time frame getting ready to place a swing trade trying to target all this, like this and one candlestick or something. Like, it's crazy. So you would look at the overall market structure. You would base it probably from the 4 hours to 30-minute time frame at the lowest, 30-minute. That is what swing trading would be. But day trading, remember, session to session, people. Session to session. So keep track of your sessions, what happens in them every day. Journal it. Journal what you see in the market and what happened from each session, from the previous day, the day before. It doesn't matter. Journal it all, and also journal the overall market structure. Yes, it can get confusing, but this will give you your overall bias for day trading and swing trading if you're a swing trader. So please look into that, and tomorrow I'll be back with another video too, probably doing another market recap. I don't know if I'll trade this week, but I do know that I will push out another video this week, mainly with trading psychology. It'll be my first one. It's going to be how to handle a losing week, and then I'll get into more after that. But thanks for tuning in, and peace.